Hey guys, welcome back to Technologic. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the JBL J08 headphones. Let's go. Okay, let's unbox this now. Just bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, and we have a thank you card and the box itself. As you can see, it has the JBL logo on it, and it's a very thin box, as you can see. Yeah, it says stereo headphones, and let's open this now. Oh, I think I ripped it. Okay, you can see the headphones ready. Let's pull this out. Wow. So these are wired fake JBL headphones. They're not authentic, but yeah, let's move on to the review now. Firstly, let's look at the price. This only costs $8.80. I'll link this product in the description below. You can go check it out if you want to. Firstly, let's look at sound quality. The sound quality is actually very nice. It's above average. The bass is punchy, the mids are there, and the high ends are also there. Overall, for the price, the sound quality is excellent. Now, let's look at the build quality. It has a solid build of plastic all over and is very sturdy. It seems that it can last for a while. Again, for the price of $8.80, this is very impressive. Not everyone can wear the same size of headphones, so it is adjustable on both sides. It seems like one side can be adjusted easier than the other side, but that isn't a big problem to me. So I prefer to wear these headphones with both of them fully extended so that they fit perfectly on my head. Now let's look at the controls. Single tap is for pause and play. Double tap is to skip to next track. Long press and triple press don't do anything. These headphones do have a microphone behind the button control. For reference, this is how my voice sounds like through these headphones mic. The headphones are very compact and they can be carried around easily. Overall, I really love these pair of headphones and I really recommend it. Go check it out in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.